friends, look what I've got. It's a new Play-Doh Cafe playset. Look, with it we can do cupcakes, frostings, macarons, gummy bears, bagels, and all these kind of different things. Would you like to play with me today?
Yay!
Let's have fun! It looks like a real coffee machine. Isn't it awesome? Let's try it. What can we do first? Let's make juice. I'm gonna make an orange juice. I'm gonna use orange Play-Doh. Let's open the jar. Wow, it's so bright. Just pull a little piece of Play-Doh. A little piece of Play-Doh and put it inside. Oh, here's an extruder. Wow, look at it. It's so cool. And now we close it. I forgot a cup. Silly me. Okay, let's put a cup. Wow. Let's see. Oh, there is a button. Did you see? There is a button. Wow. So you install a cup on this cup holder. Pull this way. Do you see how cool it is? Wow! I have a full cup of orange juice. Do you see it? I press a button.
Yay!
Woohoo! I pressed the button and the orange juice flew back. Look! And would you like, we can put some frosting in it. Yay! So much fun. For frosting, I'm gonna use white Play-Doh. Look, we have this really cool thing on top. We can make any. We can make berries.
Yay!
We can decorate with it. I also can put some oranges. Look, orange. Orange color, orange. It's got the shape of an orange. Wow, it's like in a real cafe. Let's make some tea. I'm gonna touch my cup, move it, and I'm gonna put a brown Play-Doh. Brown, just like black tea. Let's put it in an extruder, press it. Now I have a cup of black tea. And let's put some milk on it. One more slice of the orange. And I'm gonna put it in my tea. What else can we do? Oh, I have an idea. Let's do macaron. I'm gonna use brown Play-Doh. Put it in shape. Let's make another biscuit. And I'm gonna use an orange filling. Look. Oh, wow, I've got a macarons with orange filling on it.
Yay!
I have a tea and I have my macaron. Let's cupcake. Wow, perfect shape of cupcake. And let's do frosting. I have this frosting thing.
Yay!
Wow. Candy. Would you like to do a candy? I'm gonna use blue Play Doh for it. Wow, it worked! I have a blue candy. Look.
Yay!
Also, I'm gonna do gummy bear. I have it right on top. Wow, it's so cute, gummy bear.
Yay!
Let's make this cookie. Wow, it's a Play-Doh cookie. I have a blue Play-Doh cookie.